Why is Japan helping them at all? Maybe it's time to break out the big guns. I have something in mind. Have you heard about the Tsar bomb? Well, my scientists have developed something. Oh, that looks scary. You could wipe out the population of an entire city with that. Are you sure that's ethical? I thought you were serious. Can't we just launch bombs in the desert where no one lives to demonstrate power? I think it'll make sense to everyone. Now, we will strike right at Japan! Let's get it over with! Let's hit the enemy's military points! Two explosions instantly killed 80,000 people. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. The new video is already on the channel.